Hello everyone, my name is Clark from Koslow Scientific. Today we are performing the copper alloy test on ink alloy 825 using the electrospot Model 4. To perform the test, we have to make sure our alligator clip is attached to our test metal. Then we take one piece of test paper 0100. Next, we take 2 drops of solution number 3. Then we take our aluminum cathode and press it down for 4 seconds. After flipping over our test paper, we take 1 drop of solution number 9. This will start the color reaction. After a couple of seconds, we should see that the test paper will start turning pink at the spot. This will indicate that ink alloy 825 has copper content. Thank you for watching.